What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to contact Etsy support. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. Whether you're a seller or a buyer, when you get onto your Etsy account, you can scroll down to the bottom of your Etsy page. And right here, you can see help. You can click on Help Center. So here you have a category of shopping on Etsy or selling on Etsy. We're currently on shopping on Etsy. You can move over to selling with Etsy, and you will have articles based on commonly asked questions here on Etsy. If this doesn't do the trick, you can scroll down to the bottom and you can see the button here, Contact Etsy Support. You can click on it. And on this page, you get to choose if you're buying on Etsy or selling on Etsy, depending on your situation. If we choose buy on Etsy, you'll be taken to this page where you can choose the category which you're having problems with. For example, if you need help with an order, you can click on it. Then you can go ahead with the processes such as choosing your order and answering any questions which they might have for you. Usually you will be contacted. And there is a guide here also. For example, based on what we chose about orders, if your order's maximum estimated delivery date has passed and you contacted the seller more than 48 hours ago, choose Open a Case. So this is a start to solving your problem depending on what you have. And you can scroll down to find more options, which are drop-down menus. If you're having problems with shipping, you can click on the drop-down. And right here, you have some information which will prove to be helpful. If you still need help, you have a button right here, I still need help, and you can continue on your search for a solution. For example, if you click on I still need help, you have the option to click on Email Us. And this typically takes 1 to 2 days. They are available 24/7. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.